Alright, this is our room here at Pop Century. So you come in, right away on your left is the little kitchenette. There's the ice bucket, some cups, coffee, and then a beverage cooler. There's also a drawer here. It is empty. And then there's some Joffrey's coffee and some Earl Grey and green tea, creamers, sweet and low, and sugar. Next, on the right side when you come in is the fancy little Alexa. And the Murphy bed / table. So you can actually pull this down and it becomes a second bed. We have the regular bed here. There's our phone, 2 outlets, 2 USB ports, 2 outlets, light switch. And then on this side, again, there are 2 USB ports and 2 outlets. Then this switch, which turns on and off the reading light. It is the same thing on the other side. Then you have the TV and the little dresser area. Again, you have 2 outlets, 2 USBs, 2 outlets, 2 USBs. In this cabinet here is where you're gonna find your safe, the Bible. There's some extra pillows there. And then there are 3 drawers here as well. We do have a connecting room, not that we're using it. We have some coat hooks, and then you come in to the bathroom area here. There's this nice little closet space with 2 little cubbies. Next to it, you have your ironing board. There's some shelving up top here. And then in this cabinet, you'll find your iron and your hair dryer, extra toiletries and towels. And then there's 2 more cubbies down here and then 2 under the sink. So you come up, here's the sink area. We just came back from Blizzard Beach, so don't mind my look. The mirror lights up, which I think is really nice. It is very bright. And then you have the makeup mirror, which also lights up, and then you can flip it and get regular or be all zoomed in on your face. Then coming into the bathroom area, it's just your toilet, trash can, and then the shower bathtub combo. I'll back up a little bit. So you have your towel racks on the right here, and then your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. There's a little shelf here, which is nice. And then it has the 2 shower heads. And it is a bathtub, so you can either take a shower or a bath. And then up at the top, you have your clothesline. And I think that is pretty much it for our room tour. We'll be putting the bed, the Murphy bed down for this trip, so we won't have this table space, but I do think it's a really nice, updated looking room. And yeah, that's it.